नमस्कार, मुला मुलींची उर्दू प्राथमिक शाळा मिरज. क्लास थर्ड. माय टीचर नेम इज सुग्राबी. केनारी को दुनिया ने जब से सम्मान किया है. केनारी को दुनिया ने जब से सम्मान किया है, नारी ने अपनी ताकत को पहचान लिया है. अबला से बनकर ये सबला देखो, अबला से बनकर ये सबला देखो. सच है, नारी ने जगत पर बड़ा एहसान किया है. सावित्रीबाई फुले was an Indian socialist, reformer, educationalist and poet. She was born on 3rd January 1831 in the village of Nagar in Satara district, Maharashtra. She was the eldest daughter of Lakshmi Kandoji Nawase Pakir. Savitribai was married to Jyotirao Phule in 1840 at the age of 9. At the time of her marriage, Savitribai was an illiterate. Jyotirao education Savitribai at their home. On 1st January 1848, she started the fresh school for girls in Vijayawada, Pune. She opposed many bad practices like child marriage, sati and Keshwapan. Savitribai Phule was the first family teacher of India. Unfortunately, Savitribai died on March 10, 1897. Unfortunately, Savitribai died on March 10, 1897 due to the bubonic plague. At the age of 66, her devotion has been exemplary and has inspired many Indian women. Thank you.